first one.
So the first one.
I'm gonna hold this one up. The first one to greet us is this little guy.
Super cute.
He wants to adopt him.
There you go. Oh my gosh,
Here,
it's so
let's
cute.
hold it. It's really cute.
Okay, so maybe I will have to move this. I should have gotten my gimbal out, what was I thinking? Okay, so there it is. Look at how cute it is. Just absolutely adorable.
It's cute. It's a little bit of a mock turtle, not all the way. But it's that lightweight blend that we all love so much most of the year. So
I find oftentimes it's you really get a good idea when you try it on. The size that I'm trying on, so you guys have an idea what it looks like, is a small medium. So these sweaters always come nicely and generous.
Yeah,
So
that's
we don't
style.
really.
I think
That's
we
why we
did.
don't really do larges in this,
No, I think
mediums
we
and
did
larges. We
all
did
mediums.
all small mediums in this
Yeah,
one
it's
because it's
little.
cropped too, and it is cut a little smaller. So I like this batch of sweaters. You're gonna find, 'cause we'll try them on. They come and they're nice and generous here in the sleeve, and it's so cute.
Yeah, that is cute on you, Chris.
It's adorable.
Really cute.
I don't have a
Cute
dachshund,
dog.
but it's a
It's
really
got those
cute
big
dog.
eyes. So then somebody might have this dog. This could be a dog that.
That was the
It's
one dog
familiar
that
to you.
attacked your friend's dog.
Yes, this is the little dog that
But we won't
But
blame the
attacked-
dog, it's the dog's
attacked us
owner.
from the back, from behind. That's what people tell me. It's never the dog's
In the
fault.
background. People can actually kind
All right,
of see
so-
it in the background here.
Oh, can they? Okay, good. So the what is this a boxer, Chris?
Yeah, that's a boxer.
Okay, so here's the boxer in two
The boxer
colors.
comes in a couple here. I'll hold up one, you
Yeah,
hold up the
that
other.
one. Here's the other
So
color.
it comes in kind of a light
We did
gray,
get this one in the extra small.
and then that one's a black and dark gray charcoal.
Yeah.
So
So this is
I
a
think this is called
familiar
gold
dog.
ink. This one.
Yeah.
This is so cute.
It's really the colors actually are great on that.
So a little bit different sleeve than the other one. You see,
Oh,
it doesn't have
yeah.
the cuff. I'll
Yeah.
put this on so you guys can see what it looks like. And then
That's
it
a
has
cute
the
sleeve.
and it has the side the round hem on it.
Yeah. It's rounded up
Yeah.
on the
So
sides.
there's the boxer.
Yeah. Wow, that's another good looking sweater.
So you can see.
Even if you're not a dog.
Yeah. So cute. With a boxer on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, so those are our two doggies.
2 boxers, 1 dachshund.
Yeah. And here is, you know, we just thought this was such an outstanding cardigan. And this comes in, I'll give you this one to try on, and I'll try the other color on. This cardigan is what a great little cardigan.
So I'm trying on the small medium.
And I've got the extra small on here. Wow.
And the size that I had, by the way, in the other one was a small medium.
Yeah, so there's just those two sizes that we use.
Oh, this is nice.
Isn't that a nice
Yeah.
cardigan?
It's at a really nice
Oh,
place.
it's got all this cool
I am
ribbing.
short-waisted.
You see it?
Oh, yeah, there it
in front
is.
of you. So
That
here's
gray
all
is
that
nice.
cool ribbing on the side.
Yeah, the ribbing is really cool.
And
so here's
the sleeves, you know, the sleeves are nice and long. If you want
Always
them to
nice
be,
and
you
long.
can push them up, of course. But yeah, that's
also
a great little
in the
sweater.
pictures, all the girls always have their
Oh,
sleeves
yeah.
like down like this, and they're always like this.
Yeah, and they got the boyfriend look on. Yeah, but this is a very useful sweater. That's what I thought. And then you can see the sweater is like the light gray here, of course. But this
And
is kind of a teal color
Yeah, it's
to
kinda
me.
like a
Kind of navy teal.
Navy midnight
Yeah,
tealish
midnight,
kind
I
of
think
color.
would be.
It's not navy. It kind of looks like navy. There you go. That's a little more.
You could definitely call it. Here it is. How does it look with navy? See, you can really see the teal when you put it with navy.
Yeah, they can't see
So-
that in one.
No, but it's
But yeah, you can
Right,
definitely
just
see it's
checking-
got a lot of
checking
green
that color.
in it. Okay.
So that we felt like that's one of
Last
those
sweater.
things you want to put in your wardrobe. And then our last sweater. yours
These
was
we
this.
only have one in each because two people did contact us on the sweater. So it seems to be the popular one, and we only have one available in each color. So if you
Here
want
it
it,
is.
you gotta call us.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't reply on the. Oh, hi Evelyn.
Hi, Evelyn.
Don't reply on here. You gotta call us 831-688-2787. But there it
All
is.
right. There's Carissa with the black
This
one.
is the black one. I'm going to put it
Black
on so you
flower.
guys can see it. And again, this is the size small medium.
And then this is the extra small. And this is the periwinkle. This is the other flower in periwinkle. Beautiful colors, really. Both. I mean, the flower did come out great in this. We know. I know you can't see, but it's a beautiful applique. It's actually yarn. It's a yarn print.
Okay, it's got the really nice big sleeve, the big. Oh, it's like, oh, this is adorable. It's really cute.
Yeah.
And there it is. Okay.
Well,
So, just one in each. So, if you want it, if you're watching this
If
video either
Evelyn's-
live or delayed.
if Evelyn's watching, she could do this midnight party.
Yeah,
This would be a great color on her.
Evelyn, you'll have to let us know when you get your package in. I've been tracking it, so it's coming.
Sure it is.
Yeah, and so you can see it's like
Okay.
so it's knitted in. It's really cute. So I think that's it, right?
Yeah, that's it for the wooden ships.
Okay, so if you have any questions, 831-688-2787. And we're here Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6. We are here this Sunday. In fact, I'm going to be sending out an email. 11 to 3. We are not going to be here till 4 this Sunday. So it's a little bit shorter hours. 12 to 3 on Sunday.
Yeah.
All right? So 831-688-2787 if you have any questions. And we'll see you later. Bye.